andun yung bus na sasakyan natin going to Malaysia. So, walang matutulog na straight tonight. Let's explore Malaysia. It's so hot right now dito sa Malaysia. Finally guys, we arrived here at our hotel. That's MOB. Wow, like 4 hours to rest, freshen up, and then go straight to our itinerary today here in Malaysia. Update guys, nakalabas na tayo sa Universal Studios Singapore. Ayan. And I also changed my shirt kasi nabasa ka tayo kanina and sobrang pawis. So ayan. So diretso na kami ngayon sa cable car and then going to the bus station. Thank you Universal Studios Singapore. Ang gandang experience. Sobrang sulit. Okay, alright guys, so nasa cable car na tayo papunta dun sa other side. Tapos sasakay ulit tayo ng train going to Lavender. Andun yung bus na sasakyan natin going to Malaysia. So that's it. Update, kayang-kaya pa naman yung energy eh. Sobrang dilim guys kasi walang araw dito sa what do you call this? Dito sa cable car. Walang araw, walang light dito sa cable. I'll update you guys pag nasa na tayo sa bus terminal. Update nga pala guys, hindi ko na video na nakaalis na kami. So from Lavender bus stop, nakasakay kami ng Billion Star na bus and we did not purchase or pay the ticket in advance. We're not sure kasi until what time kami maka-ready to ride the bus. So instead of buying a ticket ahead of time, nagbayad na lang kami directly pagkadating ng bus. Yan kami ng ticket but we don't have ticket yet. Kasi nga we didn't purchase anything in advance, but we were allowed to pay naman directly the driver, so we paid 35 Singaporean dollars each. That's one way from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. And then right now, ito yung setup ng bus. It's like it has recliner seats. Yeah. Maraming bus provider, pero ito lang yung bus na nagkataon na dumaan that time when we were at the bus stop. So, ginab na namin. And currently, dumaan na kami to scan our passport. I think that's considered like exit to Singapore and entry to Malaysia. So, nag-scan lang kami ng passport. And then, before pala kami umalis ng Singapore while on the bus, kinumplete na namin yung MDAC Malaysia. Parang Malaysian arrival na card, yung ganun online. And I'll just add all the links sa description box if you are interested to know kung saan kayo makakapag-fill in ng details online. So yun lang. After this, we'll continue our travel by land going to Kuala Lumpur. Naka-turn off naman yung ilaw while riding the bus, so makakatulog ka naman. So ito yung setup. Just reclining bus. Ayan. Walang CR actually sa loob. Walang free water. Walang USB ports. Dapat meron kaso mga sira yung mga USB ports. It's not the most convenient bus option, yung Billion Star. Pero it works for us, especially hindi naman kami nag-book in advance. So yun. Alright, another update guys. So walang matutulog na straight tonight. Akala ko yung kanina, yung nag-exit kami sa Singapore, that's also considered entry to Malaysia, but hindi pa pala. So kakagaling lang namin sa Malaysia na immigration. Tapos meron talaga immigration officer, tapos isa-stamp talaga sa passport. We changed bus. I was expecting the same bus lang, but we changed bus. So yung bus na galing Singapore is hanggang dito lang, and then meron silang partner na bus, so you don't need to pay of course another one. That's kasama na yun sa $35 na pinayaran namin. So we are going to take this another bus which is even nicer. If you look at it, mas maganda at mas malinis. So wala siyang restroom sa loob, pero meron na siya at least working na mga USB ports sa chair. Kasi yung kanina sira-sira yung mga USB ports. This time it's okay, it's working. Of course, dinala namin yung mga backpacks namin, tapos nilipat din dito sa bus. And you don't have to worry because i-guide naman kayo ng driver sa original bus to the new bus. So yun. Yung immigration experience, super smooth naman, no questions. They were just checking the passport. But as long as nakapag-register kayo dun sa arrival card ng Malaysia online, walang worry yun kasi nakikita nila, I believe, kasi yung katabi ko sa counter is tinanong or inask siya ng immigration officer to fill up again the arrival card. So yun lang. So make sure na na-fill up nyo yun before magbiyahe. Time check, it's already 10:30. I think it's like an hour and 30 minutes since we left Lavender Station dun sa Singapore. And ayun, maybe a couple of hours pa until we arrive to Kuala Lumpur, and we'll give you another update once we arrive there. Hi guys, it's 2:30 a.m. We just arrived sa pinaka last stop ng bus here sa Malaysia. So this is already in Kuala Lumpur. So the trip took about like the total trip took us like 5 hours. Tesa kadali. This is like a bus station. So ito yung last stop ng mga bus. And I think most of the bus, ito yung stop kasi ang daming mga tao din na nagsistay dito. So since it's too early, that's why people are still sleeping here sa bus stop or sa station. So this is how it looks like. Probably will leave here like 5 or 6 a.m. So yun lang. So that's an update and welcome, I guess I should say, welcome to Malaysia. This is my 11th country so far. So Singapore being the 10th, and so let's explore Malaysia. Good morning guys, here in Malaysia. By the way, this is the TBS. Merong mga convenience store dito. Also, nag-withdraw na kami using GCash sa ATM machine dito sa loob ng station. So, bibili kami ng makakain before kami umalis kasi parang yung burger last night was not enough na nagugutom pa rin kami. So, ito yung mga food nila dito. Actually, parang may mga Japan food din. Bibili ko muna kami guys and then kakain. Then we'll go to the hotel para kahit sobrang aga sir namin going to the hotel, at least para i-drop lang namin yung mga luggage namin or mga backpacks rather. Hi guys, so it's now 8:45 a.m. Actually hindi pa kami nakaalis kanina after eating. Instead natulog na lang kami kasi sobrang aga pa kanina, and then wala naman kami mapuntahan if maaga kami alis dito sa bus station. So natulog na lang kami, and then prepare lang kami. Wala muna ligo for now dahil later pa yung check-in ng hotel, which is 3 p.m. ba yung check-in or 2 p.m? 3 p.m. So mag-prepare muna kami, mag-wipes, tapos magtutoothbrush sa CR dito, and then mag-apply ng sunblock. Tapos we'll go ahead sa itinerary namin. We're still deciding whether dadaan muna sa hotel to leave our backpacks or diretso na sa itinerary namin with these backpacks. So yun lang. So Wipes muna tayo right now. And then, and ayan si Ariel. Kakagising lang niya. Literal na backpacker life, guys, no? I'm pretty sure meron pang mga worst na experience pag yung backpacker ka talaga and then you keep on like going from one place to another. So this is just like a taste of being a backpacker. Actually, ba't ba ako pwede naman ako maghilamos sa CR and then mag-toothbrush. So yun. And then we'll go ahead with our day. Pupunta kami ng Kuala Lumpur City Center. Prepare muna kami. Nakapag-toothbrush na kami, nakapaghilamos na. And then it's 10:30. So before we leave here, we'll eat breakfast na lang. I know na kumain kami kanina madaling araw, pero gutom pa rin kami. And that's not yet our breakfast kanina. This is not 7-Eleven but KK. This is still inside the TBS. So yun, so we'll grab a light meal before we start our day today here in Malaysia. Alright guys, so kakatapos lang namin kumain dun sa convenience store, yung KK convenience store. So first itinerary namin decided na pupunta kami sa hotel to leave or drop our baggage or backpacks. Actually, ang ganda ng station na to, guys, ha. This is the TBS, malinis siya. And then malinis yung CR, merong maintenance, saka malamig din yung aircon. So walang bus going to the location dun sa hotel namin, pero merong train. So yun yung gagawin namin kasi yun yung instructions na binigay. So since walang bus, magti-train kami. So tatawid lang kami sa ditong bridge na to, and then we will buy the tickets from there to take the train. Actually, mainit siya, guys. So perfect lang na ni-remove ko yung t-shirt ko. Ayan. So after like maybe 500 meters of walking, we reached the station, the MRT station here. So we'll just check kung anong train yung sasakyan namin. We got our ticket. This is their ticket in a token form. So we're going to Pudu. So from TBS, so going to Pudu, that's like 2.80 ringgit. Yeah, so since dalawa kami, we paid like 5.60 ringgit. So guys, kakarating lang namin sa Pudu. From Pudu, sasakyan na naman kami ng bus going to sa address ng hotel namin. Yung hotel namin is MOV Hotel or Move Hotel, also booked on Klook. Mag-book lang kayo sa Klook. Use my Klook promo code MJS Klook for a discount. If ever man mag-book pala kayo ng Agoda Hotels, meron din akong discount doon. That's MJ Agoda. So pili lang kayo kung saan kayo mas convenient or comfortable mag-book. Meron tayong promo code for that. Guys, it's so hot right now dito sa Malaysia. I think it's not ideal to go around in like parang not until past 3 or 4 kasi sobrang init. It's still like 10:50 AM. Sobrang init. Waiting for the traffic light for go signal para makapag-cross tayo dito sa pedestrian. Parang same sa Pinas yung init niya. Like sobrang init. Ayan si Ariel, oh. Sobrang tagal ng traffic light. Nakatawid na kami, guys, after like how many minutes until we realized na hindi siya nag-green. Diyos ko. sobrang nainitan kami doon, but for some reasons hindi siya nag-green. So of course we're just following the rules. We're not crossing it if hindi siya nag-green. But I don't know, sira ba yun? Hindi siya nag-green. So sumunod lang din kami sa ibang mga locals na dumaan doon. na nag-cross na sila kahit naka-red kasi hindi talaga siya nag-green and there's walang ibang daanan. So we decided na mag-taxi na lang instead of yung bus kasi medyo nahirapan kami mag-navigate dito. So nag-grab na lang kami guys. We decided na mag-grab na lang kasi nahirapan kami i-navigate kung saang bus kami sasakay and at the same time sobrang init. Like ngayon, it's almost noon time. So sa Grab, from here going to our hotel, malapit naman na siya. So it's 8 ringgit lang. Hopefully makapag-allow kami ng early check-in kasi dahil sa sobrang init, ang sarap maligo and mag-shower para makapag-freshen up. And then dahil sobrang init pa, I think mas ideal na lumabas like after 4 PM na. Pero if hindi kami payagan mag-early check-in, yun, so we'll decide saan kami pupunta. Maybe like indoors, yung ganon. Maybe mall or anything na indoors. So we will still decide depende if papayag yung hotel for early check-in. Finally guys, we arrived here at our hotel. That's MOV or Mauve Hotel. Good thing it was a good call na nag-grab na lang kami kasi mura lang yung grab. At the same time, medyo malayo pa din pala siya. So I can't imagine if nag-bus kami tapos nawala. So let's go. Sobrang init ngayon. Like sobra. Okay, wait. Check-in muna kami guys. Actually, ang gandang hotel na to guys. Ang ganda ng interior design niya. Tsaka ang bango pa. Ay, hi, good morning. We booked via Klook. I'm also curious, do you also accept like if we do early check-in, how much?
Of course, if early check-in, I need to check your name first.
Okay, yeah. Salaga. That's my last name, S-A-L-A-G-A. 100 ringgit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So to check in now.
Okay, I'll go ahead and ask my companion. Okay. So, wala tayong indoor na itinerary.
No, dito sulod sa Petronas Street.
We'll do the early check-in guys. So that's about 1,300 pesos, but para siyang 50% din ng per night na binayaran namin dito, but that's fine kasi 4 hours is actually long to wait, especially pag maaraw. Like it's so hot right now. Tapos perfect din kapag relax na kami, then by that time like 3 to 4 PM lalabas kami. Okay, wow. It's a big room. Ayan yung bed namin. This is actually same rate sa Singapore, no? But a better room, no? This hotel is better looking. Tingnan yung interior. We have dalawang single beds. We have vanity, table. Ang ganda din ang design niya. Very aesthetic. Yung chair, tingnan niyo dyan. May TV. Tingnan yung design for their hangers. Of course, hindi nakalampas. Medyo aesthetic din siya. And then, tingnan natin yung restroom. Wow, ang ganda. So, ayan. Andito sa restroom yung safe nila. Merong slippers. Andito yung mirror, may sink. Good thing may bidet, yung toilet. Merong hair dryer, toiletries, towel, may tissue, at saka dito yung shower. Ayan. Yung shower na. So, may division na ganito yung shower at saka yung toilet. Ganda. Ayan yung buong room. Wala siyang mini fridge. Yeah. Wala siyang mini fridge dito. And then, ito yung view. Medyo mainit siya pero buksan ko lang ng mabilis para makita nyo. Grabe. Wow. Pero sobrang init. Ang gandang view. This is second floor. Sabi daw, third floor sana kami as per yung reservation sa booking namin. But since nag-check-in kami early, full sila sa third floor. So, second floor na kami. Meron silang pool that's available without additional cost, of course. Yung pool time, tingnan natin yung pool later. But the pool rooftop, merong pool 7 AM to 10 PM. Wala silang breakfast dito. Curious. Meron silang gym, 7 AM to 10 PM. And then, hindi pa kasama yung binayaran namin 2% na tourist tax. I forgot if it's 2%, pero we paid 20 ringgit. So hindi yun kasama sa binook namin online. So normally may mga ganun talagang fees yung hotel. So we paid 20 ringgit directly here. That's non-refundable. And we also paid 200 deposit fee. That's 200 ringgit deposit fee, but that's refundable for incidentals. So upon checkout, ma-refund yun. And overall, binayaran namin is 320, 200 for deposit, 100 for the early check-in, and then 20 for the tourist tax. So yun lang. So good thing nakapag-check-in na kami. We have like 4 hours to rest, freshen up, and then we'll go straight to our itinerary today here in Malaysia after.